These are our solutions for 3 virtual reality tasks: ladder climbing, first-person view flying, and object stacking. To climb the ladder, the player presses the trigger and pull the controller down, mimicking the climb of a ladder for an easy metaphor. The player can also go down the ladder by doing the opposite movement. In the first-person view flight, the orientation of the forward hand defines the direction of travel, while the other hand controls the speed. The player follows the trajectory drawn according both hands. In the object stacking task, the selected 3D object is linked with the hand through a spring. It is possible to stack objects with both hands. And to manipulate the stacked objects together. All the techniques are based on the use of understandable metaphors, useful feedback, and controlling mechanisms. The 3D athlete can perform the circuit with agility and precision while having an enjoyable experience.